Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Today I'm going to show you how I did this look, and I'm also going to be talking a little bit and we're going to have fun. So keep watching. Okay, so today's video is going to be slightly different. I wanted to talk about something sort of inspirational. I feel like we could all use some of that. Yeah, I'm not great at following my own advice, but lately I've improved. So yeah, I want to talk about how sometimes mostly women, like how we stop ourselves from doing things that we want to do because we have a lot of insecurities and because we think that we're gonna fail. And I think that's actually what stopped me from doing YouTube in the first place. I've wanted to create a YouTube channel for a while now, and I've only done it now. Like I recently started this channel, and I feel like if maybe I had started when I wanted to, who knows, would have been good. I'm priming my face with the Professional primer. I feel like we sometimes pay attention to what other people think, and that kind of paralyzes us. And I mean, I think that's my case. I feel like I pay too much attention to what people will think or say, and I also feel like I'm a people pleaser, and that's actually quite awful, and I shouldn't be like that, and neither should you, because that won't get you anywhere. You shouldn't care ever what other people think, what they will say, and you should always believe in yourself and your abilities, whatever they are. Okay, so I primed my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, so in the spirit of keeping this conversation going as I do my makeup, though that is really hard because I don't know how to speak while I do my makeup, but I'm gonna try today. I wanted to say to you, whoever you are, like whatever you do, if you're watching, ignore other people. Ignore the people who say you can't do something. Ignore them, please, because they're stopping you from doing something great. I want to put some tape on my eyes. It's pretty cool. Okay, so by this point it got a little bit hard to keep talking, and I took a pencil brush and I'm carving out that outer V with this shade from the Jaclyn Morphe palette, and this is the look that I'm trying to recreate. I'm taking this eyebrow brush because I want to, there's like an inner V here that I need to shape. Taking a dark brown, and I'm going to go over those lines with it, including here and here. With the brow brush, I started lining my eyes with this shade because I wanted to create that wing. With a pencil brush, I took that same color and I started adding it to that outer V shape. pencil brush, I took this shimmer shade and put it on top of the brown shade. With a brow brush, I lined my eyes with that shimmer shade. We're gonna take this brush and a dark brown. I'm gonna apply it here very lightly. Shimmer shade again with this brush. Okay, so I'm gonna do something crazy now, and I'm gonna take this concealer and I'm gonna try to sharpen that line. It's just a tiny bit. I'm gonna use this flat brush. So I'm doing this because I want that V in there to look very sharp. Okay, so I'm taking that chocolate brown that I used first. I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking that darker brown. I'm gonna apply that on top of the chocolate brown. I'm gonna take this eyeliner, this is an LA Colors white eyeliner. Okay, so I'm all done with the eyes, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna put on some lashes and some lipstick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you liked that I talked about self-confidence, and I hope that you believe in yourself more as I'm learning to. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.